Today we're here in Narberth and we are working on a Ideas for Change event looking specifically at social care. So we're looking at bringing people together, different people with different lived experiences, people who work in different professional capacities, but all who have an interest in social care. So it's really important that we bring different people together at an event like this so that people can have access to a different perspective, another perspective. They can meet people that they wouldn't normally hear from. So especially for the professionals in the room, it's an opportunity to meet with people who may be using their services, or it might be an opportunity to meet with people who are using other services and to learn from their experiences and to kind of process how they can, use that to benefit their own work.
Mae gyda ni cynrychiolwyr o nifer o sefydliadau yn cynnwys y Bwrdd Iechyd, Paul Satori, Pembrokeshire People's First, Spanat a Cyngor Sir Gyfyrddin. Ni wedi dod at ein gilydd mwyn trafod gofal cymdeithasol. Wrth weithio gyda'n gilydd, mae gyda ni well dealltwriaeth o pa gyfleusterau sydd ar gael a be mae'r bylchau.
It's been really good because everyone's from different backgrounds, so we're able to kind of pool our knowledge from different areas and come at things with different skills, if you like. Very much we work with people who have lived experience with issues around their social care. We hear a lot about the lived experience, and some of the other people here today are coming more from the health aspect, so it's good to kind of share knowledge and cross over and come up with solutions.
Oh, it's been fantastic. It's been nice to really have a think about what is needed, what is lacking, where health and social care really needs to go, as both someone that works in this field and also someone that has been a recipient of or had family members as a recipient of health and social care. It's something that's really important to think about.
I think it's informative, and it makes us think about what is needed in health care and social care.
Social health and well-being is kind of what we're looking to improve within our community or across Hywel Dda and in Wales as a whole. So it was really good today to be able to come together and meet different people from different organisations, share ideas, build up a resource of contacts as well, which is really important. And just to get an idea that people's views are being taken into consideration and hopefully move forward to achieve what we want to achieve, which is better health across the whole of Wales.
I came to today's event because I wanted to interact with people from different sectors and find out their ideas, investigate new ideas and just get a feel for what other people are thinking. I think the event's going really well. We've come up with a lot of different ideas and it's nice to see different ways of thinking.
I think this is a fantastic event. It's really well organised, and today there's a different way that we're addressing the issues. I like that adult style of learning and collaboration across the different sectors.